if the screen of your iPhone is not turning off during phone calls. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just remove any screen protector on your iPhone, then clean the top part of the screen where you will find the proximity sensor. And also, if you have applied any thick case on your iPhone or any iPhone case in general, just remove it. Then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to Settings, and from here, just tap on Display and Brightness. Now just scroll down and look for the option of Raise to Wake. Now just disable this toggle. And after you disable this toggle, then just go to your home screen and perform a forced restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go to Settings, and under Settings just tap on General. From here, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset. And from this menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN. Then tap on Reset All Settings. Now by resetting all the settings, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the settings of your iPhone. But if this also did not work, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the screen doesn't turn off during calls on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.